How to fix Xiaomi 15 keeps dropping calls. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card, and after reinserting your SIM card, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that. And now swipe up to power off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, open settings and then click on more connectivity options, and then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on about phone, and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. And now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.